Hi, today I'm going to show you a acid base reaction. We will take soap as a base and turmeric as a acid. Now we'll add the base, which is soap, in a glass and we'll keep the glass aside. Now we will add turmeric and water to prepare a turmeric solution. First we will add some turmeric and then we will add some water. Now, after adding some water, we have prepared a turmeric solution. Now, we'll pour that turmeric solution into soap water and then we will wait for 5 to 6 minutes to make it as a reaction. Now, we will just stir a little and keep it aside for 5 to 6 minutes. Now after some minutes you will see the yellow water turning into red color because of the acid base reaction. This happens when a base and acid react together to form a new substance, which is salt. This water tastes salty. Thank you.